Welcome to Live Spy Trading Weekly Breakdown for the week of June 29th through July 2nd. In today's video, we're going to go over all the pre-market setups and all the live stream callouts that enabled us to dominate a short week. Let's get into the trades. This week in the market, we had a short week. Let's start on June 29th, Monday. June 29th, we had a swing from 732.08 to about 741.55. Let's see what we had store in our pre-market. So on June 29th, before the market opened, let's look for this mini cup and handle. So before the market opened, we want to see the price swoop down below 734.14, grab some liquidity possibly off of our moving averages right here, pushing up, forming another round of support at 737.92 before the final leg up. Let's see what happened in real life. As you can see, the price swooped down, grabbed liquidity from our moving averages, formed our secondary support right at 737.92. Every single price point hit to perfection. On our 30-minute chart, we see hella resistance right here at 37.92. So this 37.92 is going to be, it has a lot of resistance. We see that. We clearly see that. And it's also our no man's land 37.93 on our 5-minute chart, and it's also damn near at a key level on our 1-minute chart. So I think this level is going to be significant, right? Wherever we're at, I have it marked out on every single chart. So it's going to be, and it's resistance right here. So let's see if we break, retest, reject above it. Look at this wick right here. Interesting wick. Continuing with June 30th, we had a low of about 740.77 and a high of 747.96. Let's see what our pre-market had in order. In pre-market, look at the date, look at the time. Let's look at the bolt up above the 20 moving average. So in pre-market, we wanted to see the price spike up above our 20 moving average, doing a little dance around 743.95 before the final push up. And in real life, let's see what happened. As you can see, the price spiked up, did the little dance right above 743.95 before the final push up. Every single price point hit to perfection. I get lucky sometimes, every goddamn day. This look what's happening. Is anyone not amazed by this? No one cares. Like the rest of the world just like, whatever, that guy's predicting the stock market, no big deal. Oh man, I'm never gonna get it. I'll never get it. You know, when I first realized that I had this ability to do whatever it is I do, I was like, man, this is gonna revolutionize everything. And then no one watches. No one cares. That's okay. We got a small little group. Remember, I told everyone, if you're looking for calls, this is your best bet. This is your best bet for calls, and we also don't want to fight the trend. If you're looking for puts, it has to be this. That's just what it is. It has to be, certain things need to happen. And as long as we're not greedy, as long as we understand level by level, this is our best bet. Continuing on with July 1st. On July 1st, we had a low of 42.33 and a high of 749.47. Let's look at our pre-market and see how we plan for this. In pre-market, let's look at this bolt up. We want to see the price spike up, forming some support at around 746.62 before the next push up. Let's see what happened in real life. We see the spike up with the support forming at 746.62 before the final push up. And as you can see, there was some significant drawdown here. Now let's see how we approach that during the trading session. We're going to go to July 1. As you can see, we accounted for all the calls, and then our put scenario was on the break of our blues all the way down. Every single price point hit to perfection. Easy money, right? Easy money. Target hit. Amazing. Whew. So look, let's say you got it wrong here. let's say you got it wrong here. It's very hard to be wrong twice in a row. That's all I'm saying. This is the proof. If you get it wrong here, it's very hard to be wrong twice in a row. You just got to wait for the setup. That's it. That is it. Now past this, we don't know. We got to wait for support to form above 46.91. And finally, July 2nd, the last day of the short week, we had a low of 739.95 and a high of 751.22. Let's look at our morning trading plan to see how we accomplish this task. July 2nd, let's look at the fake out bolt down. Remember, look at the date, look at the time. Let's click on this one. In pre-market, we want to see the price spike up a little bit above 749.81, forming the peak, and then a significant drawdown after that. Let's see what happened in real life. As you can see, the price spiked up to a little bit above 749.81, forming that peak before the significant drawdown after that. Every single price point hit to perfection. Are you not entertained? Look at the money that just got printed on the break of purple. Good golly. Good golly. Wow. Now look, I guessed this, but here, we had this shoulder right here, the shoulder form right underneath. We saw the resistance. I told everyone, look at the resistance. If we get above 49.50, then we got to look the other way. Look at the resistance. Look at the break of purple. Look at the money we printed. Well, gosh dang. Gosh dang. Oh my goodness. I told everyone we're at a flexion point of 2 trading plans. Once this broke, it was pretty obvious. It was pretty obvious what needed to happen. I told everybody in the world, and I showed it on the live stream. I shared my screen with everybody to tell you which ones we're looking in between now. We hit target on number 1. We're in between 1 and 2. If this breaks to the downside and we break the water line, look at the week cycle right here. Everything went perfect. Look at the break of purple. This is absolute perfection. Absolute perfection. This was the entry right here. Right here. You see the shoulder right here? This was the entry.